Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Today's a really simple dish. We're going to be doing scallops with garlic and rosemary. So on the chopping board we have 1 lemon for garnish, rosemary, garlic and butter. So the only main prep we need to do for this dish is the garlic. Same as always, cut down, peel. I'm going to try and keep some quite big pieces on this. So all we're going to do is flatten, and we're going to do the same for all the others as well. So as we come up to the last one, these are just going to go straight in the pan. Get a pan, throw all the garlic in there, along with the rosemary, and what we're going to do is we're just going to add a little bit of our butter to the pan, and now we're ready for the heat. And what we're going to do with our lemon is we're just going to cut it down the middle, down and down, and these are for the garnish. So now that the pan's nice and warmed up, we're just going to add our scallops. And now that the pan's warmed up and the butter's melted, we're just going to turn the heat up to about a 7. As you can see here, I've turned them over and you've got this nice caramelisation on the bottom side, and that's what we're looking on the other side as well. Cool, so now that they're finished, we're just going to take it over to the plate. Just going to spoon them into the shells like that. And we're going to use some of these as a garnish on top as well.